For this recipe, I'm going to start off with boiling some quinoa seeds. I'm going to pour 1/3 of a cup of water for 1 cup of quinoa seeds which are washed. I'm going to bring it to a boil on high flame, and then I'm going to cover these and let the water absorb in the quinoa seeds. This will take about 20 minutes. The water has started boiling, so now I'm going to cover it and let it cook. I'm going to start off the salad by chopping some spring onions. I will be using both the white and the green parts. I'm going to use about 6 to 7 cherry tomatoes. Going to quarter them. I don't like half because they are a bit too big than a bite size. A few leaves of mint, chop them. Then I'm going to peel a cucumber. I'm going to use about 3/4 of it. I'm going to add 1/3 cup of raisins, 1/3 cup of almonds. This is 200 grams of boiled quinoa. I'm going to put about 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Some freshly ground black pepper. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And juice of 1 lime. going to mix it up. And the salad is ready.